Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about the difference between include, include once, require and require once. So why we use include statement? Include is used to tell PHP to fetch a particular file and load its content into the current file. For example, when we create a website, we need to use the data connection again and again. So we create a config file for in which we create a data connection, and whenever we need a data connection in our main PHP page, there we include the config page, so that we don't need to again and again create the database connection. For example, if the name of the database change, or you say the password of the database change, then we need to change the name of the database or the password in all the pages. If we create a different page and include in all the pages, then we don't need to change in all the pages. Okay, so this is about include. Now include once. For example, in this, what happens when we use include directive? In include directive, it includes the requested file again. If we are requesting it for 2 times in a single page, it will again include the uh, it will again include the required file. So what will happen if we again include the already existing file? Then it contains the same functions 2 times, which creates the error message, because we are trying to create the or define the same constant or function multiple times. This is the problem in the include, so we use include once, which remove this problem and include the file only once. If it is already included, then it will not include the file. This is the main difference between include and include once. Now why we use require? When we use include and include once, it only tells PHP to attempt. It only tells PHP to attempt to include the requested file. It doesn't make it absolutely essential, but just it only attempts or try to include the file. If it is not file, then the program execution will continue. If the file is not found, the program execution will continue and it will cause error. So in this case, we use require and require once. The program execution continues if only if the required file is found. If it is not found, then the program execution will not continue in the case of require and require once. We use require and require once only when it is absolutely essential to include a file. Okay, so this is the main difference between include once, require and require once. Include the files. If we call it multiple time, then it will include multiple times. The drawback of this is reduced by include once, which include files only once, and then require and require once, which includes the file and continues the program execution only if the file is included. So this is the difference between include once, require and require once. Thank you very much.